sa kwenyen so na fe mentum sanfre ono mo mutie mi na say University of Education when about cooperative credit no ye the new office bi ba amasama nyame adom etina na ye bia no eye 10:30 e wo Sonitra Road and e be bia no dodo e pese ba e betimi afre ye MTN number way for direction 054 200 3223 054 200 3223 but that's me abema
Eja adope so yesu yeda sepa Ejemsua yemfa sedama Mr. Solomon Edu Chum anope washe nkran ye hu hia pa yeda na se Ebsua bra so say ye bekona ye Ryan Papers nim na ye hwe nkoma anope yi ene nam fra mama
asampa yetia obanyansafo so wo bunubia wonka na asam
akosu agrino
to sam kakre wa supreme.
All right, Chapchana, yeah, Carol said, or birthday wishes, any or dedications, any Koma who do you know, bet me at your fire WhatsApp number 0506 367 196 0506 367 196 or birthday wishes no Fafa WhatsApp na or dofu be and I wouldn't be and odin birthday no Fabra na young wish no. The best I say, yeah, now the message in the bar now with the picture kahona young wish no. Ewo yenjumadi so yen rap person ni mu na enen koma hodo a abani na no yemfa ema o akosu agri no
inua gumi
bokode e
ajana dum na never be sabe bokode o susu obibi mami ana
o ensuro so de mabadi
enta ya mpo ne mahu bibi wo
so ase mabadi na maba mabadi na mabadi ensuro kra why
Madia, what's it?
Yamura enkrata hudu nim na yehwe se enkomo ben na anopay ene nam fra mama.
Okay, mini kan na be di kan.
Ko na minya kranka ba yin na kram bari ko.
Open the for.
Me say.
Okay, yeah, ma me fa we free GH14 page or say government to initiate teacher dabre policy. Education Minister Haruna Idrusu, government to initiate teacher dabre policy. I nature say oswafo a wo hwe eye suku ho ene adesua ho ensem so owura Haruna Idrusu ena nei wode atodwa wo kire say aban no ede hyehyeye agu akwan mu a wo ye enhyehyeye a edin a edaso any teacher dabre policy na ni nyina ne say eye various schools a ewo ye 16 regions ni nyina mu no meka ebia tertiary ana say SHS schools na hodo no an unso obekọ be mpempi no ya na bangalo na wo ho no enei aban no de hyehyeye aba say enche wonum eba be si 3 bedroom e de ama akyerɛkyerɛfo a wonum ewo hɔ a wo mo ekyera de edin edaso eye teacher dabre policy eni nti enei education minister Owura Haruna Idrusu eno de ensem ya atudwa wo kyerɛ sɛ aban no hyehyeye a egu akwan mu a wo bɛyɛ e de abo teacher fo no
eni ese mu ye ana yenje adwuma nkwa kyerɛ de
wa de kyerɛ na abefa we
all right iti yenjina education minister Haruna Idrusu sensem ya na once mpepi na ya na ye tate se yesi a teacher for o maketua na ya na ye take kase ofam na ye wi na yakase o maketua wosoro ampa na education minister dia ambassador bi o ma ban we de teacher for aketua na nanke wosoro na o ma bomode akotwe afisoro aba
ndia wo fofo
o mo dia ba be show ma ban mu enti yenkane na nanka yese a teacher fo akatua e wosoro sese de o ma ban ya bai de o ma bomode akosoro akotwe akatua na ba fam enti sese teacher fo no be di kaje o makatua na hansa na o ma di kan akosoro enti me yesure say bia ne udi kan ebobo so ya chese ye be si dan foforo de ama teacher fo enti eno so ne enkomo a ewo ho.
Okay, ma mefa we ento aso emfi eye obi blog or say couple rob banks on first date couple rob bank on first date. Na che say enipa mienu a wonum ahia wo dating app so wo makeka ama na fast se ya wo mabom se awalefo anas empna twefo no wonum first date na omokoye na ena omoko mutim pam ho ena ene de ebowura bank bi akache ena ene tinte ekwowi akire na che say ya bank no fomfram
na che say akronfo mienu awade
akronfo mienu aye Bonnie and Clyde nyasem ketwa
na me yimade enkodom be wo mo
enya asem ketwa we kwa na we kwa ankora no anadwo hwa na betina fi
oh my idea na mama kinka we here also teachers we are pleading with you if you want to do the thing we have nice and beautiful female teachers who are single na when they can say president at the Ghana National Association of Teachers and or catch a teacher for member say yes ramu eya na mo pemba wade ana se mo pemba ne o matwempena a teacher for man nso eya na muntwa mani hwemo ana se muntwa mani enhwe mo nso esan se kamia se nde se teacher ni bia eye bema wade a na enye nurse ni a police ni enye police ni soja ni na chese omo yonko teacher for ne de ya kiremu se mema na empe na mema na experience omo che ne se eya no mo ware teacher for mba ya omo brepa esa so omo ni omo nyina na agi akatua ba ko afi be wiase na no e be ma na ode ni sika nyina eyi chop money na onu teacher ni oba no na ode ni sika hwe fie nti ene ye reason na mba ma omo kira de na de ma se ene ya de ba ku nti ya no mo ta empe teachers but omo de aba se sese ni yesre man ne so mago omo ho de am teacher for man nti omo fa partners ana sa wade for omo consider a teacher for man so
edin so saka asem bi kura ka ho se aya ankola no omo fofa wo no omo nyai na mpanimfo wo ho
na teacher for no mo fa ankola
o say Emeka se mo sheba no me se
o se me bisa wo na wo
Emeka se asama president yi kan no ai National Teachers Association
na teacher for no e omo ta fa nkoda no
ne no mo kan se sa na se dia e dia tag wo mo
o batu nim se e bra na se me ma kira de pen
okay
nti
okay
e wo teacher mranim no enkoda na wo kira made ne de uni ho kwan se oni ebi betimi akompam aha na mum no se oya akoda na se bi a oni school mu na se bi a wani je ho a eno no onene betimi aye but o kira akoda na de na school na o kira de o mu ne de onene timi enye yi but e bi a
na se ne so viral videos bebre wo hon ma ye hu se eja wo mo afie nkokọ ne ye chi wo mo re
oh na nka wo nchenwe na nka o ne
o ye suspect
there be Mr. Media.
We are suspect.
Media me jade kire na sana. Me yeah. Anani American.
You but okay. Well before we end so we every GBC for akacho say stop preaching about tax paying if you don't pay your tax. If you don't pay your TV license tax, stop preaching about tax paying if you don't pay your TV license fee. And GBC to other corporate institution. Naturally say ube PMO ewo omaiga nemwa. Yes, state-owned media GBC. And a nay wonum adiakoto official Facebook page. Watch it say. Uyo bia uyadma electricity. Uyo obi a ye adwuma water wese uyo obi a uye adwuma wa GRA na chese mu nyina mo si enipa bi ntua to enipa bi ntua efe ne se electricity ebi ntua water bill makotwetwa wo mu nkane mu makotwa wo mu nso mu amu twam no mu tua TV license enti ni se GRA fo mu preach about tax ene na mo so mu tua TV license water wese for mutua mukotwa ensuo mu because of so obi de card ya ene na musu muntua TV license and no sign to be amane electricity company Ghana say musu mutimi eco disconnecting crofon kannya dia ene na musu muntua mu TV license enti ne wontimi emmeka tax ho asem wabra wodi TV license ho ka GBC ena e kan semi e de che other corporate institutions to say stop preaching about tax paying if you don't pay your TV license fee GBC to other corporate institutions.
As a man crazy.
As the ban out your TV license.
O say.
Me say. The ban out your TV license.
All can you say no? And ya di enjuma di ni sipe. Ya bebo mo di anaja. Ya kutia. Ma memfa we sorry media ne so. Kwasi Poku Bosompem. Tema West MPP chairman. Ena o chire mu say. Bomodin akopie ma wo Ashanti region omo regional minister no Dr. Frank Amuakon o kire mu se adwuma ye de ma minister no akwa na bo adwuma dodo akwa no adwuma na ma na adwuma na boso too much a che se no mo tie akikura no mo hwe adwuma Ashanti regional minister na ebo a omu so ye NDC ni omo so omo ye MPP for now so toda and papa ne modern money ya no bono omuti achi na omu yam kura ahyehye omo na no no se ote so bi at radio so de Ashanti regional minister na compare chairman untumi omo mudi ma no se masa eno so ye den masa ma mo nyesa abrantie ne ba ye no ogba adwuma dodo ye ya nanka wabedom ye party no nti enene enkomo Kwasi Poku Bosompem so e dia ba kire se Ashanti regional minister Dr. Frank Amuakon hene abrante no egbo adwuma too much
papa mamenfa we ento aso e wo say family and friends pay final tribute to TikToker Osanju. Family and friends pay final tribute to TikToker Osanju. Ye nyina ye ni Osanju. Ene e ba na TikTok de a odi na gro ho ye papa enche ye be bosome mienu ntam ni na e beto dwa se wakọ ne nkrachi ene yi abusua edi date hyehye so a na no memene da na wonom epe ne korabie na ene pe ni kwahwe kumase enipa ko yie pa abusua enamfo ene chese ajamfo nyina ekọ bi a ekoye chese eni kasema fa ba bi no so no esan koye areho yie pa the bonkrata ne bi ede aba wo chese family and friends pay final tribute to TikToker Osanju.
All right. Mama fa we nka ho. Say stop using national service personnel for errands. Rather train them to boost productivity. Na Mr. Daniel Akwa, CEO, Agric Impact, and all can you say? Or say, other department who do you na you posti encrofor so mumra emaye national service my offices na atose ye suma nkoda je koto aduane bra je koto nsuo bra eya na ye nuanu ye national service no enso nim se agya ye soma me se ye bia beboa ma mi wi na adwuma no makam enti ene osoma na chese aeroplane me na me call no etoda kra ye friend na not was mpacho metese na mo frɛ me so osoma me na chese yetimi soma ma mo kra so soma no eyo mo de on from kra no maba na we na pahin akire mu se ye besre se ye posting no na se ye nuanu meba mo offices ahodo no eba ba ye national service ha munya se mo soma mo koto aduane bra koto nsu bra me girlfriend yi ba me nchen na wasi oda kuma junction kofa ne bra na sa asoma no ye njai ana se mpanfo ahodo a omo government institutions ahodo ni nyina no munjai na se ye posti om no mo ba munsu om mfanya adwuma ede emfaso bebro man no na munjai se mo soma mo so mo ntoto munduane ne niema ahodo a sebe ehu hia no
kwasem mame fa we entwa media ne to say 10 million Ghana cedis needed to fix faulty traffic lights in Kaswa na Koyo MP for Awutu Senya East, 10 million Ghana cedis needed to fix faulty traffic lights in Kaswa. And not just a Wukopium Ewa Kaswa Central Region. Oswafwa wo jinamu ewo ho ema wo mu ewo mrahye bedwefie na koyo na ode ensemi atuja wo chese traffic light ahodo no a asai no ya ade se sika botini a ebeso ya mo betimi ade aye nsiesie ewo traffic light ahodo no aso no esom 10 million Ghana cedis eninti wo de atudwa wo kire se ansa empanimfo ebetumi aya traffic light ya na so mo bedi traffic light mu dwuma amna ye effective no ya de se sika won ebehia 10 million Ghana cedis for 40 traffic lights repair se
ebeye sika ne bekọ na yebewie na ye light ahodo no ebeye dwuma ene na aka no sika ne de yaka na akase sika ne bekọ ba bia wo se enko no akase yebewie na ye light ahodo no aye adwuma se no mo ka no ntu de yebeka o mo ewo mpaibom na bia na sise de niema sesenti no yebeka o mo ewo mpaibom yo akoso ye nchia ye nuaba abna mozino
ye chia no be obi a ye chia no pa
me tina mudi amane nkakra watia ne achi kakra
ebeyi
nti no ye behwe nanim ba bia obi anso no omomode yan se obeba na obeka yo enti grino yankua ni mahu yo enti abusuya Max Morning Dew live on Max 89.7 FM na wasugusu a wutie no ya wie yankua ni ma ye kwa kosi se no nkron bebo kumi kasa nie akoso grino DJ Holy International Holy abusuya ya basese ya
Go be the Yaminian, so I didn't see the
All right, Jamsia, Yamu Akwaba, Max Morning Dew, Max 89.7 FM. Namshanum say na Endra World Teachers Day. Endra ye teacher for that. A teacher for na Yakupo Shamina. Na because your teacher bena o kaina o pena sembesi ne.
Oh, it's rather unfortunate we're free mo.
We're free mo.
We're free mo.
Oh, Kafra.
And quite the mechanism my class 6 teacher.
Oh, okay.
Mr. Bedas Williams. We're free mo. Just say yeah.
Oh, yeah, correct.
Oh. One say to the be our uswa na teacher ni tin any toes or 2 any toes you might think say or how waboame
pa
waboame
na unim say eba ni say na ye say obia enkanfo ni teacher bia unim say ya na enye ye teachers omo tertiary and say almost senior high school and so more GSS. Most of the times I am tired primary teachers no.
Sir,
time money is no.
On say how na say bi o adwene sha da nya adwuma no mo na betenet ne wo. Enti no mo antenet no was at that time now wo be say.
No correct.
But wunyini ni de unimo left from right. But I say aha na ya na mpempi no. Ekoba ne sa.
Baby will be a Yankopon fan crazy. Why? And Tiabusia or birthday wishes or dedications for fire and WhatsApp 0506 0506 367 196. Rebecca and Kaya the amount.
Welcome to Monday Morning. Max FM. Max FM 89.7.
When I think of all your goodness in my life, my mouth cannot say it all. I've got to give you praise. When I think of all the good things you have done, my mouth cannot say it all. I've got to give you praise. Show
Monday morning. Max FM. Max FM. 89.7.
All right, I'm seeing I am creating Max Morning Deal live on Max 89.7 FM. Your friend Kumikasa, Akosua Grino International Holy Champion Bobby. Yeah, Kwakusi said on Krobebo. Young Quenimana, young Kojaso, young Koshani Ujaso, Yana for young Como Edika, young Fantujana, Yama Hokwana, you know, and to drink Como baby, I will be. And she young Kojaso, young Koshani and no pay. A man for near the Fedia Bajaswa or Mobeton. Ayana, a band Jason, some Diana Mano, Edimukane. Semri mahudwenyina jaso achese me amini abagrino jaso achese ohwene mema Akosua Grino jaso hu ede na jaso anopai
okay ene ma memfa eye masbai enhye asie yetna hade bia ye say phone a ube yusu a ebeche eye bia ba kope bopiri masbai na masbai nso bopiri hono ma omu di phone kama pa ba ebo adwuma yie papa esan so eche yie eno ane Philip Essence enti masbai se beje wo Philip Essence 10 ya ubenya 64 gig plus 3 gig internal 845 Ghana cedis. Philip Essence 10 kronwa 128 gig plus 3 gig internal 975 Ghana cedis. Samsung na wonum ewo Philip Essence 20 128 plus 4 gig internal 1070 Ghana cedis. Ebiemu nso so 20 noa 256 gig plus 8 gig internal 1475 Ghana cedis. Must buy say a bad Philip Essence in Kwandia ukita 100 cedis kra ubenya bi ato eninti bomodiana beji bi fakoma wodofo ma me wona na bi obi a wo penasem obi wo hono mokita phone na enche na say there be enya Philip Essence bowura must buy na kwaje wo Philip Essence fra wo mo e wo 0544 019552 0544 019552 ana visit our website no www.masby.com.gh www.masby.com.gh. Masby say hurry and flip to Phillips.
Yankwe animina yamfa sedama mega cash lucky box. Mega cash lucky box. Na we know Max FM ye de chere ani so a. Da biara da radio station se okrum hados na so da bia obomodi asa uti Max 89.7. Enti ye chere ho ani so se gisika ye na fashion hafa nyina ne se da bia obomodi asa uti yen. Na enkomo ye enkomo a megidie pa se watie stations ahodo pi na so enya de a eya na omutimi eche osika sei. Enti kwanya obefa so asika obenya bi no simple enti tietia kora eno ne se obefa phone emfa ho ne network bi a wo so na wadale star 426 star 8 hash na wasend ne network bi a wo so star 426 star 8 hash na send ye na follow prompt no sika bi e befima ba na yawde a onu abusuafo nko a bema oba no wani gine ho pa onya na ba wade no danso aka osika se bomodi ase mega cash lucky box jumadi do ho bagimu enti fa phone na dial star 426 star 8 hash na fa ho gimu na di sika bebre wudi a mo bia onko a wudi a
Okay.
Rino yankwe anim
Mami Mpompini Medimoses Clinic and Herbal Center. I udi mega cash no na se wapomuden enjina brania ubedi academy. Udi sikano ebe chiche. Enti Medimoses say ban apomuden ho ensem nko ade a bomodea na bopini wonum asueye. Wo say yare biti se hypertension mojabroso ene hawo diabetes esitre ya de sciatica woto asene no entini no etwetwen wo typhoid fever malaria fever abunu ene atiridi stroke enyojoye STI sexual transmitted infection ai brana wonum ebetu ase afiri ho de amount sexual weakness be ma ne oba wonum epa wo oye be ma wabo adabridwo ewo empamu bopini Medimoses Clinic and Herbal Center na wonum emfa enubna enkam hwehwe wonum ekira kwan ewo Adanta barrier opposite the police station Samsu na wonum AESL building inside the Ghana Highway Authority Yard Accra Ministries Ajay Kojo opposite school for the deaf Samsu na okopiomu ewo Kumasi a wonum ewo ahenema kokobin what the garlic capsules for kra aba chese yatu ni din say Medimoses garlic capsules boy medical ye pa and into was say uyo obi a wo pese wo moja ne de afusane ewo mu ye pa de agibi esan so eboa ema wo honam a ayetitiriti no e release ni ema wo ebiomu so bi honum a woda o se bi ye fra bibi mazes school ache no da bi kwaje Medimoses garlic capsules nanom e detoxify wo ni padua no eyi efiri ni padua ni mu ebiemu so esan serve as immune booster na kire se ema wo nkwamo a wo ni padua mu a ekuti anyarewa no e boostu ni ye papa Medimoses garlic capsules ewo pharmacy ewo Ghana fana ha baabia anase herbal shop bia ewo omai Ghana mo bopini wonum na won so kwaje wodie nanom na wo hu ento from Medimoses ewo 0244 068447 0244 068447 Medimoses say e ba ne yare eni ayaresa ho nsem nko ade a wonum eye edutwam
aside twato yemfa mamas buy yemfa aside nyina emawiase nyina mas buy yedo mase omoboan sika famu ma na anopai yede max money di ujumade no ebre na mas buy se yenka ntwa se bobodin abra be priemu yaso ye showroom ho na mia wani na tonie mama kom yenu eno ne ato ne din se buy 2 for less promotion e koso bomodi atone mamba akumienu a yeteso edema wo enti bomodi ase anopa ya ukokroma obebo ediewra masba ye showroom ho bomodi a say ye TV say ye mobile phone ya tuni din Techno Camon 40 Pro bomodi ase o to ana wato bibia ka ho na tone ma mienu enu achi no ye chewade enu achi no so ye san atete bibia so de ama o esan se wato eniema mienu ene ne atu ne din buy 2 for less uto mienu a na ya tete so de ama o enkyerɛkyerɛ mu bi a wopɛ de fa yɛn promotion we ho bɔmɔde asɛ ɔbɛfrɛ yɛn ɛwɔ 0544 019552 0544 019552 ana asɛ bɔmɔde asɛ ɔbɛkɔ www.massbuy.com.gh na kenkan ɛho nsɛnsɛm bi a biribi a wonte aseɛ bi a no yakukyire ɛho nsɛm de agu maxbuy.com.gh nti bomode ya say yem promotion no ode ohun ebegimu yo grino ya wi ana
menu ya wi
ya di dwa wi
ya di dwa wi
yenko yanim yo abisua ya bana yenkoma edikan ya no pa ya de abrɛ o.
Thank a teacher. Wouldn't be where we are without a teacher, right from nursery to the tertiary level. Thank a teacher.
Teacher teaches them all. Teachers mold our minds and shape our future. If you can read, thanks to a teacher. If you can write, thanks to a teacher. Teacher, mo, teacher, you all I know I play. Teacher, mo, teacher, mo. Teacher, mo.
Welcome to Monday Morning.
Enti yenkoma teacher fo nyina endra teacher for that World Teachers Day enti anyum we na yede damasema yade yebehu nyansa kasa radio so na man say tie teacher for daroma yebenyi abaye nkoda pa teacher for daroma mami nchiami aminu abema Aristotle Mr. Solomon Mpete Aristotle ye teacher teacher anope unkwaso anope unkwaso Aristotle Solomon Mpete anope ye chia All right, I'm saying yankwa hamane so na yene Dr. Albert Hagan na ntwetwe enkomo anopai na yensua de emfa apps ahodo a ye yusu eno ho enti eja no peltem nka memo a che de ba maximum indi we max 89.7 FM pacha no pese bia boko de
bibia ya boko Yesu adom bibia ya boko na musu
Yehu adom ye ho ye pa wadaroma menua ba kosua na no pa yo ndidi ye ntini wi na mede ne na ma na text wadaroma say how dia
oh no problem
Matias yo na anopa de wadaroma ye frewa na yenkomotia wa se ye kasa keyboard wadaroma ye nhyase mfi ho keyboard e de ade a
okay keyboard our computer mu no one of the input tools you can use yede nyama yedi wura computer mu na in the general term no on say computer no your devices via eboa ema nipa tumi ye nyama fast ewo mpoto kasa me ye kase eboa productivity is one of the input devices utumudi nyama udiura computer na mo na o say computer na ngasa yesi yewo interface screen na wuhu wo desktop wo so wo computer na software interface no interface wo any computer electronics na wo system no mo no screen no ejina ho and the keyboard no allow ma utumene computer hardware chips na ehihye mu no ene ne kasa nti wo ma ne bibi no so aka bibi a kire o nti computer na ngasa on to me nyashi nti aya ya ka se computer no onye mistake eye nipa no o use computer no onye mistake nti ya ka se 2 + 2 ye 4 na ya say enter no computer no mu a wo komia 2 + 3 na wo san ka se is equal to 4 obi be ba hwe ade na ka se ade result ya mi hu even though computer na print ya na nya correct but wo be hwe no na nipa no input no nti o ma ye in such a way say when the computer input keyboard no esa enka na tete typewriter na ye bo a na wo bo no kakra na we sum na tiko kakra o ma she da ye ne sa because you see the 2 types no Germany no and Eastern Arabian areas no they use a keyboard that yashe no starting with DV they friend Dvorak and yeah na you using say na o ma dia to the British Isles no and also your friend QWERTY into Uber keyboard no so na started with QWERTY into who position one set 2 ebo ho se one set left eda ho na one set right eda ho a ube won say ube start say we operate keyboard a we dey won say gusu in circuit one no start from A no into ube won say eto ASDF na we get 2 GH no what start JKL colon we ya won say na sa na wo maso koso pe ube won say akoda QWERTY no so QWERTY na UIOP we the buff form sa abe ZXCV we just 2 no to BN na ebe M, // inti sa na ya ma nkofu tumi edition keyboard fast but no eye say wutumi master na wa bra wo so computer no ma wo betumi akata weni na wo de wonsa ehu because the wo so computer no ma eye say wo hu we bia wo de be ya na wonsa baba beda ASDF no so inti keyboard no eno ne ade asa wo master ewe edwuma mu no productivity tools are one of the things ebe mama wa master computer ni use na eno no because bibi abe type bibi a wo be type wo ko UK na no san kron fufuru mu a o mo edi kan wo ho na wo so obi a we akwala we di 12 years old bia ne assignment or typing wo computer so
no credit na aja wadaro ma ne wa hin na ye keyboard shortcut no eno so ye ne wa hin esan say ye chirim say eno no eboa ma che say ye ndwumadie bia ye di bia eye mre pa wadaro ma eno ye ne wa hin
keyboard shortcut eye bit say cheat code say I say shortcut code bi as a wunima e ma wutumi ya ade ma ne konkan ntantem e say dia wenya time na we use no wetuma ye na efa brofum kata no you have literally hacked time itself in the keyboard na we use no in the Windows environment say you fire your computer you see you see Windows your operating systems they use but the are comfortable no no Windows the Windows no the server nyama but shortcuts no no you will be a cut across say you would their Windows environment wo so computer no na wo twen na nyama na na desktop na wo say icons ni wo ho no wo their also wo and basic office applications are obi a use the ejuma say Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint and certain things there if you can say you have found as secretary you be so winning so at least Word and Excel the keyboard shortcuts and one master you can say who bet na computer no na winning say they be we use mouse na odi ejuma na dako mouse ni nye ejuma ade ebe mo we hu say we hia keyboard shortcut no so wo ko computer no na mouse ni ho a na say nya laptop a wo benya bibi di won sa afafa so na e movie mouse no ade ayet say arrow so na ye fra ne keza no So we computer and say a desktop next to her. Who nyas had any be? I want in this a one will be to mouse no qua. Nay, so we use Jumama or boss. I saw keyboard shortcuts. No. And the sun keyboard shortcuts. And it's about Windows. Oh, there will be typing BB or Word, Microsoft Word. Sometimes, oh, copy BB now, paste to baby. In Jardina, what type of screen? No. Quickly, what person was selecting now? One of the quickest way is Control A. If I selecting Yamana was winning now. Oh, say, young fan say, well, we are Excel. Now, what person will copy table and I will create a table be a page, you know, so who Control T. If I draw table, no. But when we say, when we know your applications in the movie, you have Windows now. There were about 10 of them you must master. Because I did do a computer, no, so I also. In the three basic tools be copy, cut, and paste is one of those things. You never go ahead and copy quickly. So we could a mouse, in the mouse, and over double clicking on where they know. Now, why Control C? Now, what copy I don't know. Control V. What you copy before for a copy C. So, let's see. We bet me Windows icons, now what desktop, no document, we save or document, or platform, no so. We better we move in the code, baby. Now, pen in time. We select it and no, we Control X. I bet Cassie idea no. When you copy it, now we Control V. I bet paste you or yeah, well, in Bribisa Ediana will be a Word, will be Excel, will be maybe Notepad, will be do of computer and so programs being air coso. But here is the case, I will need different screener, who will be in now also. In this, I will be or Word, or now it's a copy information be or Excel, and then I will be any more, who be anything. And on the one who will see alt and also, who shall keyboard and also, who the last keys never form. First one, we go say actual CTRL, control. And the last one, ALT. As I say, alt. Now, it's an alternative way of accessing the shortcut. In the young person will be Windows. And now, Word, will be a different type of Word documents. But we, Jumano, we say quickly, we are now picking information in woman. When we say see alt, no, so no, we a tab, no. We a tab, and I will say screen, baba. Why, yes, applications now will be in and why, yes, shortcut also. We cannot the ring, cost name move. You will say, oh, okay, wait, let me be a hand and me picking information for. We are releasing alt in the they are not ring in the down, and then the Baba will mean in our ocean. Yes, also. There will be a task view. In the young fan there, who you may be. Now, task now, all the apps on the desktop. In the first, you must be able to show that task. No? If you are, we press Windows button now. We're going to be, I have to say, in Topra, our keyboard. No? So, last line now, you will say, what to me, what space bar. But thinking do who type it and the way me also I'm at the space I bet to what them now will type no. We will say the left of it no that we have the main functions and all. If you will say control FN window button no if you have any color coded, if you have any blue, red, yellow near there and some are alt no. In the shortcut no a function around that area. Yes, I say, Windows, who close.
Doc Wadaroma, Yashana, Yanfa common embrana, Wadaroma.
Yo, in the most of the things you need, you know, Control C with the copy idea, Control X with the PC, with the card, Control V with the PC. The band say, why a bibina, what type of wrong thing, open, so come back. Control Z, undo. Oh, we are not. Oh, I did amount do you know? Let me hear. We are Control Y. the aba back.
All right. Doc Wadaruma, ubejina swadi ya mama na mini aba kuswa green ewo question bi edema Wadaruma.
Yo.
We dey dog we dey bisa eja.
Yo.
Yesua keyboard ho ensemene ni adwuma edie. Obi be bisa say na keyboard no kra no watisi wo mumienu wo key pass ene wo keyboard. Ne wo hen ene se keyboard na de wo hen so na ye key pass.
Oh, okay. Key pass, no. You see these words interchangeably. So because my mixing up in maybe na me make what up even see me keyboard. Key pass, no. Soft touch. If you are soft, if you so you using smaller screens. You key pass there. Sometimes you can buy maybe your keyboard. We call computer na hono keyboard na aye problem we keyboard nyama na wo so na ebimba but ye to me ton key part there aye soft ebi wa we to me fold because ye wo mechanical key part ebi wa aye to say membrane ade aye soft eno no eboa wo ma bibi aye fa na ergonomic key part no eboa wo ma we to me wonsa no adapt to nyama easily. We will have keyboard no use no keys in the muedin. Into also a swift key pass. And no your key pass a soft. It is a USB enabled one. We to me for toy now they are connected with keyboard no. And now say if this will have to make the top keyboard and also a layer the hard keys no.
Ew.
Key pass no. It me on these smartphones or tablets. And the will be keyboard, no? Who going to say I am in the form of pad. You are able to carry it around.
Okay.
Doc anopai ya beda wase Dr. Albert Higan anopai dase ya ninchechima odiama ye onkomo no emu ayende pa any producer be kasa na mrepam ni aton safro na e wo so ntimi mra fi ha so atia se enti Doc anopai ya dase why
we
do Wadaruma akosu na man yem fan taxi wo number we so wa hu you don't can pay your dash, why? You ain't he, Grino? May ye say no, Miss Row. Well, may prepare move be quite saying, Miss Row.
Men woman home.
I know what kind, Miss Row. May say mine.
Yeah, the dog with him come.
Many of you, dog, yeah, that's enough and no. All right, I'm saying about Sia Nafe, Yabana, Yadi and Koma, Edika Yabra, your friend Kumika Summit in Amwediama, Abena Mozino, Yabasia.
Are you frustrated by late deliveries? When you're professional, no one install you AC and TV and the insurance cry. It sounds a duke every Max Buy Abba. Better TVs, ACs, refrigerators, any washing machines, and Max Buy. Now enjoy free delivery and a professional installation within 24 hours, all within Accra and Tema at the comfort of your home. I send you out here now, absolutely free delivery and installation. Order online now at maxbuy.com.gh or visit selected Max Buy outlet to start shopping. In Shaseka Crown. For more details, call us on 054 401 9552.
This Saturday and every Saturday on Max 89.7 FM. Connect with your school. Which school has produced the brightest mind? What is your school renowned for? Find out as high schools and colleges go head to head, vying for bragging rights and glory. Don't miss this chance to witness history in the making. Join us for an unforgettable morning of respirited debate and fierce competition. Presec Secondary School, 7 times winners. Omo producing NASA intelligent.
Atomic Energy Commission Okrumano. Omo yede wo.
Kwani Presec can say go up.
Kumasi High School, Truth Conquest. Yan can say Truth Conquest.
Truth Truth conquers. When St. Augustine is talking about, Adisade is talking about the best is always good for Adisade. And then St. Augustine, perseverance conquers all. Truth is what? Then I
Truth conquers. Mo persevere, mo ye den it's truth that conquers at long last.
School Connect. Link up with your former mates and be part of your school once again. Schools Connect. Be part of the competition.
What a guan, me conscious brethren. Your favorite roots rock reggae tunes with inspirational vibes. Reggae Max on Max 89.7 with DJ NY comes your way every week, Mondays to Fridays, 12 noon on Max 89.7 FM. Reggae Max, feel the natural mystic flow in the airwaves right into your VAs. What?
Nobody can stop reggae. Nobody can stop reggae. Nobody can stop reggae. 'Cause reggae's
One day, Anna, Max Buy per se, yes, sika bebree. Bisa me say how? Max Buy at the bundle offers akesi obi intimate take ebro. Buy 2 for less. Manabeto TCL washing machines and a kettle for only 5,530 Ghana cedis. Na save you a cool 300 Ghana cedis. But to Infinix Smart TV and a smart watch 3,000 Ghana cedis per. Afesuma Sanka Techno Common 40 Pro and a smart watch for only 3,170 cedis. Na see a 250 amunumuwa. Come Max Buy showroom and one memo baby and I shop it online at www.maxbuy.com.gh. Frame 054 401 9552. Nebisa bundle promo no na jiweni kra. Max Buy, quality you trust, prices you love.
89.7 Max FM what do you kita say?
Maji wedi tina me dane di wunji di misi bisa ko ofi wona me fe eliti so bi fe be aka echika me di ochame kwame utie Max Morning Dew ewo Max FM kosua fili mascience here.
Welcome to Monday Morning. Max FM.
89.7.
Hurry, someday out of way. 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 That you look see. Someday out of way. And that you see. Unsaid.
Max Morning Deal. Afe na wode wafidie na to ayem akwa ba onjira ye wabafie. Wabafie pa. Yeah, Kyle said Max Morning Deal eba wakwa Monday to Friday. 6 a.m. Kosi said non crobebo 9 a.m. anopa. Kumika sa mabedi na metina mu ade ama miniaba. Abena Mozino eya na yeme nkwa me base ana me ni DJ Holy International Holy ene akosua Greeno enti ana so yeda foforo ye kwa akosi se don krobebo emsemra so ye nkwa na ye mfa street vibe emrel na na ye ba bedi nkomo ye be kaka ye ho kakra ene ebe yir brutal ebe yir papa na ede ye din komo na ya bisa se agroben na oda so ekai besinde bra na ye enkoda biri ma agroben na chese ne unya ya nanka enye pahin pa na wo ya anka still no odo ho bajim nkoda biri mu agro na wani je ho pa no ede na ma wani eje sagro ne ho ene na yen koma na pa yedi yen street vibe ne so yen koda no agro na ye tedi no emuni e he na ne oda eso da ya eda so gina wani so emuni e he na chese eya oda besi nde oto na okaka ya anda ka hu se nkoda ni di kura nka do ho bagimade na ma wani je sagro ne ho yen kona yentie ni a akosu Greeno ewo kansa na yenkwa hama ne so begidie pass o de dada ne mama
o say
ote anya o de ote
na dada ne mama minu ne di sagro do
me say
minu ne di
da bia na me say me dada na na yese me nkwa ya kwada na me say he
unim dada ne de ye
mi ane dada no me mpene nkwa ya
kwada dada ba me ne dada na
mi ane dada na
kumi mame hwe agro die ye di no me ka se be miensa kra na still akra da so gina mani so na wo mitiri mu
bobo so na me hwe
unim tele
ene ye ne wo he bia wo kan me
tele wo ja wo kwa kire se ya ne ya to
owu asem eno so agroben no masa uja ho kosi ani ato
no akoto o be nipa na nsa so ne ya to ebia nipa mu ye nipa mienu miensa na o mu gina kire na wo be duru wo so no uja ho se ye wonwum bi ayeto nti uja ho uja wachi ko uli ni back sa na wo na ya so na ya
masa ebia se minimum broko ma boda minti
ba konso na ye de Robert minim se Robert di onimu goalkeeper Robert ono no see Robert papa Robert goalkeeper number 1 ono no yes o ye yi o keeper na obi kun no da kore ye be kana sem feature story eno so wo ho na se si agro ne de meda so kura midi skipping yen kura ne ye boss skipping neni na nyina kura me so ra no pa bia boss skipping me boss skipping ena ba ku bi so ajo apropro watarim ajo twa ho ajo ko you do fo
mo yan kwada ni na mu yi ma do
anya so keta u name no da ya de wo no se bi media kosi ya say na ye twa kanko sa na ma bebutu mfimfini okay obi abaso okay enti no se u bebutu mfimfini sa no a na ya tonyo bia media kosia yi akosia ketua kotu awiam dada orisu akosia sorry pro watarim akosia cha hu akosia ko you do fo na cha se ucha hu ya no akobam de office
entina branch na obambam no wenfa
ba nya be ba na ko mi wa grobe na mudie
me de na ja agrobi ne efre no kataso dweto Oh dear, so don't in a crap paint you dear.
Yeah, no, yeah,
the idea be man. Na omotia kongwa so na odi like odi beja back home. Into you cry. Oh yes, or the amawe, no asan connect person na dia odi shot on my ass ho baby.
Enyan to ajire.
Me dem eno ho. Eno ho. Ntimi na na mani je ho pesa se.
Ye dwa ya taade.
Odo nsa ehye.
Ewura obi ayase.
Ntimi de da bia no na magia mo ba.
Adenchin.
Ne ache me na eja. Ena pilolo nso ho.
Kwasi adwuma.
Pilolo nso ho. Ena
asiesie.
Pilolo ena pampana.
De ye de ade sia se hands no. De de ade sia na che se wo hwehwe
no. Eno ho. Enti enye ize. Yenkwa hamane so na ye ne abusuafo ntwetwe nkomo na nde yenka kan ho kakra grobe na usu ano na wani gye ho pa na wotoa wo ka kan na akwa bibi ho ende unya ya na nkasa agro no bedi pa ba tese no wanyi nti na akwa bibi ho yenkwa hamane so 0550 055 522 0550 055 522 eno nkwa wa hu ana. Okay, and I say 0551598321 0550055522. Yankwa hamane so na ye ne abusuafo ntwetwe nkomo. Bacho di ni ba bia frefie.
Good morning.
Ye na hwan ni o.
Delani.
Yo.
Dela na no paye bisa. Agoro be na wo nkura brem na wo tadi pa wa fesa agoro no. Na di entia
agura mitadi paye ato tre obiba
ene mchawa ni hewa chi akoto baako
ai ana ape bi woni abe tumu
ero de nyame ni fadi kwasa
ena account na ndem mu
yemo ya pa ba peni de ene nyina nkola ne bo mitimi bobi o ni na down
no kwasem childhood memory pa dala ya dase ya chi atamafo ni community 25 nyina
o se de ampi o se no si ade na ni je ho pa iyo amba cho hwani o.
Yeah, keep your secret.
Keep your secret. You will get to keep your friend is a callers no. We will test.
Oh, okay.
And keep your secret.
All right.
Keep. Young kwai. Agora be na wani je hu. Ene ni nyina wani sa je hu na de entia.
Agora na mani je hu pa na friend kope.
Kwape o de atwa koto no.
Kwape ye twa koto no.
Enti na na muti na ya kese
no. Oni na madam fubi ni obi ye bi na nipa na ko yi eti hu ni na sako ana ode so baby abutu ni ti ana ode ya cha sha nti akwa no so ni okọ yo man sa so ode butu go na ne sama bu ani je ho pa
ani je pa pe ho
ani ti da ho
Oni mi awoka no.
Tidahu. No biaba. Ati tidano.
Ayo.
Tidahu na baba no wedi bia ni na wi.
Ano kwase.
Mendi sa agree ya na be den. Basuma.
Ki bia da se ba.
Iyo.
Ono ne de ani atwida ho ba ko bia fe na akroma de ko. Eni onyenye aduane na se akroma de ko. Enya sa ye hwimu aduane a.
Na akroma.
Ne ya. Obi jira so.
Pacho when you morning.
Deborah from Odoko.
Okay, start Dorby young koi. Agro be na wani je hu na ene ni nyina wani sa je hu.
Anto chire.
Oh bibo.
Ena pilolo.
Lolopi. Enye pilolo, lolopi.
Ade je na wani je sa agro no hu.
The say pill champion put the jayo. Memene namo. E do jani ma wa champion. Na ya chim na mi pani na ya me tese. Ana pill we so me hu pa ma fight na mi jina ono. Aha, na me banko ko chi da won sa.
So o de. O go so sim people agro no wani je hu.
Ai, kwai, kotodenda manye bido. Mikro na wata pami tibebi.
Okay. No pass Derby. Nyami heshira oni odoko funyina.
Yeah, that's 0550055522 and that's 0551 598321. All right. We were home. Oh, okay. Mpacho when you there be facha me wajina swache. Why facha me mpacho when you
Me gift is so.
Gift is all to one of pay chacha so to mfunyina. Bisa the one you madeja agro ben na wotadi na di enti na wotadi sa agro.
Pilolo anyway Robert.
Oh, Robert.
Amina.
Sematade menche adentia.
Any ampe.
Tela o.
Ampe na bi wo wa e bo no no wi a. Ipa no kwete no de ni kotobe. You otu wa nyina ya wutimi de wani nko etufo.
No kwasem.
Say wo pa.
Kasi enti na ndam otu nyina fonfon amode de na mpo. Kasi moto sa twanke de be yade.
Okay, gift ya dase.
All right, ya dase.
Na kumi unim enwans.
Enese ni o.
Oh, dear o try we no box bisa na o de ebo na wo to enwans and two.
I do 9 back and na. Okay, the first one no ye 3.
3 good.
One na fi why 2 one sign one why. Oh, yeah friends eh.
Enwans.
And no so ni ani je ho pa ba ni huri say ya na. Yeah.
Hello.
Hello. Udi ni be dia free.
Mohammed, me friend Japan.
Japan. Mohammed.
We nyina kasi. And no so ya den.
Guguru kuno bi o wenu.
I was
saying obviously abwanu be fa wenu wenu aye. That's it guguru ku umami ba.
Mohammed, hapo voya na wasiwasi.
And no so ya go ni bi.
Adu kukuru.
Oni dia ofin fa na kukuru kura no pay. Ado ya kokona kukuru ku. Mbacho hwan ni o.
Ye da kuma.
Udi ni biom.
Da kuma.
Wadaru ma yenti o.
Na kwa me ji mo pa fa ne gota to gota.
E ka sen ya no pay.
Gota to gota. Ukra obo ja gota ba ku na ti na me ja ukra me bo ja gota ba ku na ti. Otuna ba to no ma abo na ye media. Otuna ntom aye odia. Ana ba ku so a na me pepper fa ne kite. O kite ti meti na mfama de ko obetu mi kite sinisa. Wini mba bia mfama de ko na wo na mfama na odimika. Edu ati mi ko te da akoma no odoko na wo dimika sa na mfama na wo chesi.
Make I say o ma men so na so ma anka unko. O ma men nya daje pass ma anka unko so.
O ba kwa no kwa na ka okube nko ma nuru fom. Ida ba se.
Yenso ye da se pa.
Say ayi ba ku bia enu na mema ne type o nen kwa boys ne nkura ne ye tie na omoto na omoto na mfansa e bia praia na adua na omo de atwere work to na omoto tie
o ene de asa na anu ya o ene de asa da ene de na anu ya kura
ena contest in se 3 enu se ne ye to pa
se ne de bo football match metimi nante be ye ha ne yi na me kura me contest me combo match
Yehowa
Mama no so mama ya me nkonso asemen kre
what's wrong
ba cho hwan ni o
eye dala masaba ohun we na papa brani kase kukuruku no ye wo mu bi wa nyemu eso mu kokoko
kokoko yes e ma na ye de ka wo no fo no
no wo ka enu o se o mu wa nyuma mu ye ti se o be mu se ase amana ki tuwe bi wa nyani enti wudi utabe jura nyana ye counte wa obenya dodo no ni wa nya dodo no ene ni 3 ho akote makai ma agro ba ku bi o
kasa
ni di ni 3 beje the rock. Yeah, you cooking now with tea. With it, we are more than quite me. So quite see our gross. You go to us in the tea bed. Hey,
all right, yada say 0550055522 and I say 0551598321 eno na your numbers and but na ye dim komani bisa say ebra na yeso na agro ben na oda so kai abesi ne enye adwuma ene wadwen aye hyepan kan koda ni di franka no
What over Jim? Angela Kosia.
See that?
I am here, Deborah, my son, baby.
Debbie, young quay.
We say Kalo, cast number no.
And then 24 Kalo.
Ampa Makaya no.
Saturday, I go here, Madame for the more to be to no man no. Any assistant, Eddie Bobby. Or which one of them I come while I blame.
Oh,
What happened when the Boba Bano and didn't have the percent Zoom for
Kafra. You say, and Grandpa, dear Chamu.
I know I have to say you.
Sir,
I'm Mr. Damian and Nungala. Yeah, I'm saying, and I'm saying her.
Moody Magro.
No, the Papa could never come check her, no, never to have most in the caravan.
Never shall. Oh, Randy.
Yeah, yada say, ba kubi so na yede ntama eboye mu a na odi America
emframa ne ebo enu ko de yes games no ye wo school ye timi ye wo school e na pempena ha
na
see dada ko
na se nkoda yi okay because se nkoda no minim so mu di agrompo dia
oh mo de na kwaye football ene ayi ampe
ene Max TV ba cho hwani o
hey minia
yes
nini anu wan nini ha mini ba
minim wo ba bia mesew
wayi wa ma wo sapo kantanga wayi wa ma
wayi mama no pese ma wa ka dia no adi o do se be bra ko foni kam so ure o me na wo ye
sapo kantanga kade
wana do ho ba yo nyam nam de mo ba wana do ho ba na e me de na me ka bi
anopa kade ne enko agro be ne wani je hu anani ne nyina wani je hu
mo se box ya na me hu huri ya sa na hada da o se ne abre no
wei so community what you need pa
o se den
this was in ninu anu ya
minim no masa obi a me ma ba cry foforo be ma mo ba da fo na kroma me da se da minim what bye bye
Zapo
by force adam for first dia mesro
was it agro no hu e ma ni hiri no mo he da from said your mother no
e ma no any agro ben no
ma anti agro ni di batasi no na ma ni hiri no mo me ma na da from ti said your mother no we yo ni ano no
ba cha when you
about me
about free fan
Madina yo abasi enkwai
I go back and then I can bam 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 bam.
Oh, shake your body, shake your body. Wait.
I'm about to do event art no way to the Diana no way.
Okay.
Me my never put the other edina from the no put the answer by yourself. And maybe I'm going to the other for
Kafra. Hey! Agro bani fo di agro. No kwase ma be je bi shira,
yada se yemfa holy yemfa senka ho na yemfa dwumade ne nsi ana oh yemkoso wa ho oh okay na che se bre wo ho pa okay mbacho hwani o hello yes sir udi ni baby afrefi you yentie wa minia
dada ni mama
ebede na umpe dada ni mama ɛdeɛ nti na dada ne mama ne agorɔ na w'ani gye ho paa wei nyinaa
dada ne mama na abɛpɛ dada ne mama na abɛpɛ ɔsi obi apɛ
ɛneɛ no korɛ ɛneɛ no korɛ ɛneɛ no korɛ
ɛmɛmɛ musoro yɛakye
ɛma no koraa nso ani gye ho mmɔ ɛma no ani gye ho
dada yɛbɛkye wo na dada ne mama saa
nkwadaa no no yɛsu asaa no yɛhu yɛ mpapanom ne yɛ mamenom ne ɔmo yɛ no a na yɛmfa yɛ nkwan dɔ sɛ yɛyi nya afono yɛn afono yɛn yo
afono
mpakyɛ ho ani o
adeɛ nkye nsɛm bi wɔ hɔ sɛ akata so
ɛno ano no
na wonim sɛ mmerɛ bi atwa ma ne ti saa agoro yi na yare ahodoɔ ne nsɛm bi a ne yɛkyekyere saa bɛnya ne nni hɔ saa kokurokoo yi a papa yi bɛkaa ne yɛhu ni before sɛ ɔbɛte saa aboa no na ɔmmɔ werɛ mu yɛ ɛbɛyɛ fi mfuturo a ɛbɛkɔ ɔhwenem aboa yi wokyi no a wode no ahyɛ wo nsa nipa mu obi nya akuta aduane a na wata akɔgye adi saa berɛ cancer ni hɔ hwan akyekye nipa yi ebi ni hɔ ɛne mmom a yɛsi yɛdi yɛhu ne computer mobile phone agu wiase hwɛ adeɛ bebrebe a ato ahyɛ yɛ so yɛnsa nkɔ yɛkyi ne yɛnka yɛka ne dɔ ne yɛnkɔfa saa agorɔ no mmra bio na nkora pɔn suku a wɔte tablet so ɔyɛ dɛ a wɔbɔ game ɔhwɛ toy mfuturo nkɔ no wiem ɔnni hwennorɔ saa ho saa bɛ na nneɛma bi ɛboa yɛn ɛno ne yɛyɛ abakɔdeɛ yɛde bɔɔ yɛn nti mom yɛnka akae saa maame bɛka agorɔ bi sɛ wokoto a ne yɛde ɛkɔtɔgya apem wotui ɛnɛ yɛ obi ba saa ɛnɛ ɛkyena nkɔ bubu ahyɛw
na woammɔ wodi ne baabi afirafiri o
mefa kyɛ wo sɛ neɛ daakoma
daakoma nasɛi na agorɔ bɛ ne nana wotaa di a wokae
mede bɛde ka aka wo me sɛ mepɛ kite to paa na kite ne kyena wo kyitɛsi no a
ɛna tumi kɔka dua nkɔɔ mu no
wokɔdɔ ase a wotumi mforo
yɛda ase paa 0550055522 anaasɛ 0551598321 0550055522 yɛnkɔ ahama no so ɛna ɛnɛ yɛbisa sɛ agorɔ bɛn na yɛsua no a na yɛdi ɛnɛ wani gye ho paa yesua no agora ahodo na yedi no emu ne ɛwɔ na wani gye ho paa emu ne ɛwɔ na nnɛ unya ya na nka nkɔda ne di a ɛnyɛ sɛ ɛbɛfrɛ ɔpanyin toto a na nka ne nkɔda yi edi ba te bi nnɛ ukɔgyina mu ɛbɛka sɛ panyin toto ba bi a wani adi mpacho hwan ni o
good morning
yena
yapo ne fam yapo
free hin
Adenta housing down.
Okay, your church Adenta housing down for you. Ya. Diane, what me say Diane? Agura. O ya bofra na wotai dia nani na wunya ubedi na die ntia.
Okay, game there me kind me referee di kakra but me no ya nhye da me hanti no. Se be na me won game na ye tabo pa o se enwa ye di. Ye di wa di enwa na ye mfa ye ne body na da ho no.
Kurano.
Yes, yetumi di dua ebubu ni kakra shepu ni mane ye round bi sa. Na ye to woto nte sa ate no. Mo sa ne to no etwa no ho.
Okay.
Enti si woni etwa no ho sa na ye boys ye gugu ye twa eyi sa ahye be se 3 and 4 and 5. Enti wo fa na wo de ne to no si fo na etwa no ho sa. Na do sa ba ko apia no wo fom na ebutu. Se ebutu na wo yonko ye na ono ne de na mutu a. No, the nsa 5 no, or the cocomotrisi for man, now for the soro. Minimum the picture I'm going to ya.
Who said they will see each other near whom?
Aha, what the cocomotrisi for not for no, extra, so no, or no, we know the ones up to get no Jesus, like you see.
No, correct.
Agro, yet I depend, maybe now, about piano, or maybe any more. But they will tell you now, and one of the any pan, what the new move. Now konya mpanifo bi na wo no nsa na ho ni no mo bitiwa jai wo na wo nsa no ntumi fa nyere
kwa no kwasem akwa be so say agofu sei
kwa du ya na be
na mi ngamo
onka ozo ya chacha denta
fu ba cho gina so
ni gina so
ni di no ya po
papa
o na se ya to nka che enka ne na nka Max FM mota afre ndwumadi so pa ba ta se na se to nka che
ampa na se mo sisa ni mo TV for no fra na obre
sem no kwasem
enjenra na nyame honhom konkron kire me se me mfra me nua be ma William nchia no enti me fra ne chiara no ka je nso mo aba enti no menya wa na
no kwasem ye da se
nyame nka mo ye beto agro no so
ye da se pa cho hwan ni e
agona papa ne kano ye fe na alukoto Mini sarana mi estobono.
Hey, Dalani.
Bi ni wa mi minimum bi. Share. Salu kutuna papa ne kapa ye wade no ho e ti se apofe enu so ye one form sa ba nu ye fia. Ukofa o tinwure ma no akonya sa ade no ye ya nya na o tu ni se ya ne cha no ho Udu sa na gutu na wa obewe no obekọ na oseti nyina ya baba sister
dala ada oni emema na nyini ya na
oni nti hiri agro bi eni wa mema wo ma mi wo
no
kwasem na ho mi wo
no kwasem
na bibi ye fe na
alukoto
that's
dala bye
Yo, yada say, yamfa 3 more course and come na yamfa free jumadi no NC. Pacho when ye.
Hello, good morning.
Yada,
good morning.
What do we have about it?
Ejana dum na so.
Yes, I do me hoye.
Yankwe.
I from Imano, me ka free dance man. I go na so me ju pa ni se piulu. Ah, e good bian kitin over the lady bian ko see baby ya tenipa ba ko obe defense obe hu bian do bian di bian is the Uhu Biana now to make a cover 1 mile, like 100 meters. No, I have about
on our defense. No kwasem pilolo ya kanu kwasi ya yuma ai yadio ya da sima ya bisira ule da so amfo na pilolo.
All right, you Pacho when ye. Hello. Okay, Yankwe. Pacho when you.
Pacho, Imadenta.
You. Imadenta yentiwe.
Bamba, bambalika,
bam, bam, bambarika, bam, bam.
Magro papa. Ah, Imana za bamba bambari ya de majuma.
Sena ya cheki no krara mshamba ni.
We yada. Shake your body. You are Uzabra no ni jehono no.
All right, you yati yima yada say. Okay. All right, yanko ha. Mpacho when you.
Hello, Pacho Kofi ni taxi driver Kasa Fiction.
All right, mini ayenjio.
Now with my customer, or passenger, work no about week. Me kama otende ne pilulu ba nene wa no say no me de ne pampana because pampana no onya la kira se wa onya wa odo fu bisa o no anu ke pampana no mapo
enti wono pampana na wotu no di ane se wo pe wodofo
no
wey. Okay, yeah, that's baby.
Yeah, all right, Yankwe na yamfa yan last caller na yamfa street vibe no NC Hampacho when you.
Hello, James ni.
Hey, James, adanta Yankwe.
It's for more bian fed many cake. Me angwa na many jo pa no e offend ma me papa.
Wey.
Enti dia na me papa side no ni ama nkwala na da e den ma kata kata mo ho na ma me papa ye dia na mo mo edi. Na me papa.
Uni ani kumi. Asa ni eyi e friend say sako kantanka. Wo James wo. Se do sika se nka me vansu.
And I know me do why I say my man temunti no. Me ntime nya dada ntino.
Ndu ba ya ba.
yɛde madam for your friend Ruby yɛde Ruby and dada na
me azamaba
say me agro no menya ndi bio menya ndi bio why me nkoya akoda de na me nkoda ntem
na agro bi ho e friend na apepa
eno so ye ne we
eno no ase yeto ebia underwear foforo ma wo yeto underwear foforo ma wo ana say panties foforo ma wa na onu na foforo hia o se ye ndi apapa ndi na say opa wo ho a o me hu se o sha underwear foforo ana say panties foforo ai say yeto ade ne ma wa o pese obi ehu say yeto ade foforo ma ndi apapa
ana agreement bi and they pon na ya
Yadimini.
Why? And Yadimini
money.
Na minim oka we no na makai ye nkoda no minim se na menye sure se be ya agro me sure se be nkoda bonesem ye ko school se ya na ye dia hwehwe akọ wan se se mo ma ne mom na ma no mukita hwehwe ba ye na ye mema no
na mo mukura hwehwe
tiɛ deɛ mmaa ne tete wɔ si yɛ na yɛ
na deɛ kɔto fam
ato fam na gya ɛbaa akɔ aba
ɛyɛ nkwalabɔ ne sɛm Dabi
yɛ kɔba yɛ sɛ white
ɛyɛ red
ɛno a unya ka ne saa obi ate ase obi ate ase
nkwalabɔ ne sɛm akwalabɔ no wɔn na nyini bɛ panimɔ ne nkumi
minyi yɛ ne deɛ ɛyɛ kakra ɛyɛ kakra me sa sɛ me ka sɛ me de yɛ ya
ɛkɔ ya na asɛm ato
sese kura yɛ kakra no
kakra wɔ hɔ kakra deɛ sɛ bi wɔ hɔ mia metimi hu kakra deɛ bi wɔ hɔ ya mi mu hu mɔbɔ
all right jamsia yɛdo bibi ase wa ba mu adwenkyerɛ boa yɛ ma yɛ dwumadie no abedu mpɛmpɛ so yɛda ase akosua green no yɛda ase DJ Holy yɛda ase Kumi Kasa enemidin ene ya madam ba kon ye frɛ no Alexa bachesa yo bacha me say my money ya wate all right I'm saying yanko any Max Morning Dew live on Max 89.7 FM your friend Kumi Kasa
Welcome to Monday Morning.
Captain Biwo eye adwuma e wo Kesben FM Brano pay chiao Captain BO Chairman Yaba Captain Biwo eye adwuma Kesben 92.9 bra ye chiao na feel so enkoma CEO edema This Heritage e wo Koforidua oba pa yara anopay ye chiao Aminchi ami abema Esuako Maxwell. Esuako Maxwell bra yechiao. Esuako Maxwell. Eke Sofo Mas. And I know Madam Free from us a cabin say me Sofo be see ye. Ebane say. Na feel so Maminchia Ocean Boy. Ocean Boy drive time show host award Daddy FM Brano pay chiao Champion Ocean, the darling boy, Ocean boy no pay Yamuache. I tell young quatin come in view. I am Pempi near Tatis, say, who be here pass any pebia, Obenusu essence in Su Ayanqua. Am I a cacusi said, what is life? A being switching saying so no. Ayana and Yan Santin and Subia who be a now nominous Akake. A being switching saying so near war. Nebudo and I said the quantity I was set and Conny Peduanim. Ye mu bi eya na yetati asinsuo ye ntie na yesode ya na chese se galon se barrio den ya yebenya na de abutu yenti ye kwa hamane so na ye ne Dr. Pahin antwetwe nkomo ye mbisa no nsu no ampa ye nim yasinsuo hu hia pa e kwa menso ene wo se ye num suo no ye frɛ no Dr. Ifa Ababio odi ne dwumadi ewo Nana Pahin Herbal Clinic. Dr. Pahin Ifa Ababio ewo ahamane so Dr. no pay mu ache mu akwa be de ba max morning deal.
Yeah, anya do ordinary.
Yeah, di pasa no pay hu anyankopon adoma hoden wo ho.
Oh, but the other room, you boko.
Yeho adom yenso ye ho ye pa me ne menua ba akosu agrino DJ Holy ene Alexa no pay ye ho ye pa.
Yes.
Yo, Doctor no pay de eya na mpempi ne yetate ye ka se water is life na chese ampa adansidie nyi na chese insuo hu hia pa na ya na nenom no na ya na akoye asem etoda ye san se ye nyante ye se ye si insuo nom no ekoni padua no eboa nti no eya na ye noma na ye nom wadaroma ekwan menso na wo se ye num nsuo no na afia no pa kodu anwumre so nsuo no quantity no ne dodo se na wo se enkoni padua nimu
yo me de ba me da wasi edin kan no ye na otumfo nyankopon si
ami
na etiefo so anopai sabre wajebre na oti dwumadi na ye dawo mu nyina so asi nyame hira mo bo dwuma pa edin kan no se ye kase ensua se na wadi kai mpo ama intro no ensua ya dia ehu hia pa manipedua na o ka se bi se ho ye me de pa o se ye kase ye no musuo no so nkire se ensua bia keke na o se ye no you ensure obonebe ka say quality water wonoma eno so eboa wo na wo question say ensure do say na wo say nipa mpo ehia the kwambe na yefa so a ye nom ensure no ni edi kai ma nko ne say nipa bia no ohwemu a yade a nipa bia no muduru nyina no ensure contain about 70%. Anonti se nipa wo ho na se ensure anta anko mu a ebetumi ama wo ha de wo ha bebre e de abrel na se wo ye wi mu a em se wo hwe Europe ana se wo hwe ye Africa ha se ya anam se ewia no e wo hanti no ya na ama ye kwaya faso a nipa bia no temperature no etumi ko high no anonti mo na wo temperature ne kosoro no na ema ebene insuo na ewo mu no mo nti ama all the time no ubehia insuo dodo ewo mu nti wimu me hu se onipa bia no anye yekura no enka wo sori from anopa etu anwumre a enka wantomi anom insuo kura no obone beka se bia be se bia 8 glasses ana se me kan yi ni atiase ya me fa se 3 liters ye ka say 3 liter na ninchire mu no sabi sani ye ordinary person bia beti ase no ka 1 liter ti say ensure water kese ba ko no 1.5 liter individual say wuchi mu miensa ba ko mienu 1 liter individual say eno no miensa to ni pe bia no anye bia no ka from an opato nyumre ese wutimi no musa ensure no na ye kana sa no se o ka se so ye be no no ano nkire se what if I could be about 5 minutes? Now, what is soon at guna one of Nina Gabi, and also a banner, a bit media how a bro, name Momono, one of the crack, Uma, a glass, back home, you know, no one. Uma glass back home, you know, no one, Uma glass back on no one. I don't see no Sanya Obisa, you know, so to me, and it's a bois na a food, a regretted body, no. I'm a body not to me the done also. I'm a bois, a fee, a free pebianimo, a bois, Emma or digestion, so it me a year, Juma ye, a Brebeca say, I become a digestion, Sanya would be via a bianimity me, I am. Na aduane so betumi adane nutrient na etumi aboa organs and cells ahodo no a ewo yemu no nti se ubisa mi a ensuo yade a eboa yi pa na ebetumi a enka wanya kura no 3 liters edie eso utumi enom
Doc yabedo ase wadaroma 3 liters no sensi subium na wo kire se vote kese no ne same a wadaroma
say ebia atiefo beti mi ya na me ka say ye ka say 1 liter say media no ye example say na be ya ye beti ase ye ka say water kese no ba ko no 1.5 liter enti 1.5 liter ne say no na bro 1 liter enti me fa ne say ya chemu mi ensa miinu 1 liter enti 1 liter no na ye say o hwema water ke no be miinu so is what technique siano miinu we must be 3 liters and what technique unya miinu the whole day no went to me kura no to num kesiano miinu ya there is one num 3 liters intino we ya say beboa and ya na ejina ankura so even at all say commodities kura na say bre wo na nke commodities a ye be hu say even mema kura so ododo a ye num ye wa ma ododo a ye num ana midika aka ye no okọ ebia amano ne nso a ye wo because of more than ntino omo nso ejina dodo ombenom ba na so ye wo Ghana ntino ye ka Ghana sem ye ha na temperature no ene sania ya ha na ewie na ebo no ne sania ye dwuma ye ni ade ntino ne ye wo hwemu a sania meka ma atiefo ati asie ye no ne ye se 3 liters no eye ade a utimi no ma at least ebetumi abo
Doc wadaroma o can say no yenso a ye ni sika ya na ye tato sachet one no o de ba yenso ya femu a sachet ne yenom ne makoma be sesen dakro
anyway sameka sachet na ano so no when to be kra no makoma be 10 okay makoma onya makoma be 10 ano so utime no me 10 a day and 10 to 15 depende obi oho a on say wo ye adwumaden ogina wiem ye adwumaden into all the time no insu na ewo ni mu na ebeni more than sabi obi a ebia wote ebia air conditioner na so wote officer ebia on shadanye adwumaden ya na ono no insu ni hiyama na de na nso no ya na insu komta ne ntentam ti se obi a ebia wonam awiemu auto ade anase wonam awiemu ebia ye adwuma bi ti se construction work ni sa nipa na mo ye sa adwuma so no so ndiani a wudie kura no eka ho bi etumi eboa ma ema wutumi no nsuo mo so entino sache no sani ama woka no se wutumi nya makoko be 10 to 15 anase 10 sache na I think say no so etumi eboa pa betu aboa pa
dog wait mama mimra mu just say studio what customer ma ye machine asem ye nyina ye di ho fo ensuo yi said o ka say mema kra o se so mo nya quantity bi o mo nom e na ma nya quantity bi o mo nom obo ho no mo se me wa me obi ho se me datia enti do datia any do o wa no ne nyina 10 to 15 na ye nya ye ntwengu ye yam
sani ya woka no say obi wa so obi yetia no eno de ebegina sana meka no say titiu pa no gina ebi o ho a eye ensurudu a ewo no ho eni aduane a wodi eni adwuma a oye ya na eno mu contribute more than say obi ye 10 na obi so ebi a oye obi o ho a wɔyɛ very lean anaasɛ wɔyɛ tiatia ketekete ɛnso na ebia na nsuo ɛwɔ no ho no koraa no ɛdɔɔso paa anaasɛ the nature of adwuma no a ɔyɛ no ntumi ɛngye nsuo mɔ mpata wate maseɛ ɛti no ɛna ɛba sɛ obi yɛ tenten a ɔn sɛ egyina nipa no volume ɔn sɛ ne nyinaa yɛ volume eti ɛno nso no sɛ wɔyɛ tenten na ɔso kɛse a ɛno nso ɛkwan bi so no sɛnea na meka no ɛno nso betumi akyerɛ nsuo dodoɔ a ɔbɛnom efi sɛ aduane a sɛ yɛdi aduane a ɔn sɛ obi a wɔyɛ obi akora ketekete anaasɛ obi a ɔyɛ panin no sɛ wɔde toto ho a sɛbi aduane a ɔpanin bi bɛdie no ebi a ne nsono no emu so ɛwa ɛsen abɔfra ketewa nti no ɛhɔ no deɛ baabi a mɛka ne sɛ eduru baabi a ɛno nso tumi ɛdepende nipa no ne size anaasɛ ɛyɛ volume dodo anaasɛ adeɛ adwuma a ɔyɛ no ɛno nso bɛboa ama ne hu nsuo dodo a ɛwɔ sɛ wotumi ɛnom mbakyɛ ntiaseɛ ɛwɔ hɔ
ntiaseɛ wɔ hɔ nti no whether tintin average fɛ ne sɛ tietia o averagely no ebe depend wu nipadua ne w'adwuma no a wɔyɛ no so okay ɛnɛ dog mo wede ma mensa bisa baako mienu enka ho obi wɔ hɔ no mu a wɔse meto sukɔm ne me sukɔm de me amenum nsuo na sukɔm nya na me no ɛno no saa ne nipa na etimi ha no wɔ na pomuden kwan bi so ana.
Oh yes, of course. A good question, Pana. What be said? I would say apart from more area, diabetic, and that's why all diabetes. Abia, I know the other time. No, on the phone or something. 10. No, piano or which you need to abandon you. Then so I also be a habit. I will never catch a water therapy. So be a habit to say, the whole necessary the whole day. Ufi say ebia will skumpa ne wa but wo modern na at least obetumi anu nsuo if you say so wa anya ne saa na so me de sukom na me the whole day ebia na ogo the whole day na onu nsuo ana say bia 1 glass of water e ba saa emo ne padua no emeze ne padua no wa say car enante na say nsuo a ewu mu no say ere ana nsuo dum a ma engine no enya problem e di saa na ne padua no etie e ba saa Emma or temperature no ekosoro anase emma dehydration no take place say dehydration take place how ade ba no doors so febre wo na ka bia that ye kan wansema wo say e do how the brain it will brain if bia enti no yen hye no to ni hu say enye say skombe de one sana wanu nsuo skombe de wanu nsuo skom so ne wa e de aduane nsuo die e say kon bia so no wo die habit na wo ho modern na utumi no kakra ne tumi bua ne padua no
ye ni pedua no do we de ma me fa ba ko yi enka ho aja ye num nsuo obi wo ho no mu a nsuo no oni se de obesi anom no wo hunu de wo obesi anom nsuo no ye se empempi na bi mu ka se u bedidi na wo sa wo di kan anom nsuo ebi mu sisi wo didi wi age se wo twen 15 to 20 minutes ansa na wanom nsuo eno nso so ho asem etesen
me da se ni aba ebe ko mi a woni pebia no nka wo bedi di be 5 minutes excuse me say 5 to 10 minutes say o bedi dia enka obedi ka kora anu nsuo be 5 minutes and 10 minutes ansana agiano no wadi na wo di wi nsuso a enka betumi a enka ebebua na nka exam so no etumi aye aduma digest aduane no kakra ansana after be ebia 15 to 30 minutes ansana obenu nsuo one nsuo apart from say epia wo didi na aduane no ekwan bi so no aduane tumi twiw but the mechanic say twiw say I hope say say show there so this wo didi wo see ho because we dey tumi see obi o o no wo didi aduane tumi tram no eno dey yen ka say because of digestion and I say because of your pain if aduane ho dey ntino na aduane na twiw a me no nsuo emu no say yes be aduane no wudidi ekwan bi a kwan so anase kwan bi so na aduane no atramu anase etwiw na wuhie nsu kakra bi e de apiere de a enka be better say ka wudidi wi a obetwen kakra at least be 15 minutes kra na 20 minutes ansana wotomi anu nsuo ne mu woti body kan so anu nsuo no ansana wedidi sa wotimi ye ne saa ebebua ama aduane no etuna digest amonya the needed nutrition was a beboa other organs and cells no If you say nipa bia no ma me fa we nka ho na ebia. If you say nipa bia no ma bia ensu be ko bia no eboa emocha no eboa mframa ogo ne beka say oxygen emma obue no etimi yi atuma yi pa nti no that bia no se bia ye ka ho asema ne ye ka the benefit na ye be hu emfaso bia kesi a wonu so ye say ye nom ne keke so bi o ha se ye hia ne ye hu the benefit na ebema abede say like hu faso bia wo so nti ama like en kind of so be nom ne mu se hu you call back your commodities who the background and the functions of water now. Ubos a bebuama or Topaman or company now or obey boom the home they say obey to me animals you know before and after about 30 minutes time no oh yeah sir I think a very good I bebu one if you be
okay we dey na dog ase part 2 beba part 2 beba
Dr. Ifa Ababium na pain hair back clinic no pay Max FM atie for yeda se ene adisuade anopay odi abrɛ yeda se pa no mbrɛ ne wadaje
nyame do bia na omo pɛ adisuno nto aswa ente yawo aye kaswa Colomba Junction be happy in the school and I would give ba opposite at Summer Station. The number is 0243 another 430-973. Maybe I will be to say addition I the no person person. Na you get to be or yes I deal with more a bit to me about be a
you that can pay a dassy.
Miss me that's
na green Dr. Chirim say sache water no anya hwe kra no 10 to 15 a day na
what calculate you
back here saying
50
pesos inji 10 years saying 5 cedis na 15 is where 15 is where 7 cedis 50 pesos eno no nsu ana aduane insuo 7 cedis 50 pesos.
Said this over wood ye 7 cedis 50 pesos never ya would dem kumi.
Da krubia. Insuo kwa 7 cedis.
Utu so guyam. Utu so guyam
masa. Then asemen kure. Yo doc ya da say iti ya kwa kwanu nsuo abasese ya. Ya dum nsuo abasese ya na ya the max money di djumadi na to aswede ama.
Hello, everyone for your family Nana Dakwa Jesse, the host of the Max Sports Park, and Max FM 89.7. If you joada, ekosi fiada, ebo non crew kosi se dumie nu beboa. Program no air live on Max FM. Na nika sem ne se die, ya sesem ebo non du kosi se dumie nu beboa. Program no SIN live on Max TV. Eho ene boran crofama so, nya cover the major leagues around Europe, Bundesliga, the La Liga, the Premier League, Dutch Eredivisie, any de kikaon. Afeso so, ebana kutukubon sem dia, enwa any Max TV, Max FM. Unim se Bukom Boxing Arena. De biaya ho Professional Boxing League. Ya de hun sem nyina ebeba Max Sports Park jumedie no so. Afeso so, Ghana Premier League, the Women's Premier League, and the Division 1 League. Ya de the statistics and all the details you want to know about the local football. And afempo agudi ensema ekoso yemaimu. Your segment this is the predictor. Emu hwampa ya the matches beba ya be more odds. Now so what me twabia dibi. Sounds so any of the big interviews and penifo kukudan omo kasa edimu ewo Ghana ene wiase agudi ensem omo ene ene omo atwetwe komo. Inti shiame minima bedwafo efiti joada ekosi fiada ewo Max FM and Max TV.
Are you frustrated by late deliveries? When you're professional, no one install with AC and TV and the insurance kura. Essence deal kesi every Max buy abba. Better TVs, ACs, refrigerators, any washing machines, and Max buy. Now enjoy free delivery and a professional installation within 24 hours, all within Accra and Tema at the comfort of your home. I send you now absolutely free delivery and installation. Order online now at maxbuy.com.gh or visit selected Max Buy outlets to start shopping. In Shasaka Krawon. For more details, call us on 054 401 9552.
What a guan, me conscious brethren. Your favorite roots rock reggae tunes with inspirational vibes. Reggae Max on Max 89.7 with DJ NY comes your way every week, Mondays to Fridays, 12 noon on Max 89.7 FM. Reggae Max, feel the natural mystic flow in the airwaves right into your VAs. What?
Nobody can stop reggae. Nobody can stop reggae. Nobody can stop reggae. 'Cause reggae is
This Saturday and every Saturday on Max 89.7 FM. Connect with your school. Which school has produced the brightest mind? What is your school renowned for? Find out as high schools and colleges go head to head, vying for bragging rights and glory. Don't miss this chance to witness history in the making. Join us for an unforgettable morning of spirited debate and fierce competition.
Augustins has produced all the best dignitaries in this country. We talk about Pakwesi Indum, Totobi Kwachi, and all the Hoy brothers went to St. Augustine's College.
Master, stop yobbing.
Central region.
If we say for Obako School, they say for Kumasi High School.
No question.
Have you heard of Agri Memorial?
Oh, Agri
That's the best school. Very, very best school.
The Kumasi the schools are two schools, Prempeh Opugua.
Kofo went to which school?
He went to Prempeh. Prempeh is the college.
And I don't know we are Prempeh College, obey president, no. One can say for schools, Niranto, colleges, now can say for Monto High School.
High school, they college, pay.
College invest you. College, you go America, college invest you.
And the end of Kofo say young school in high school.
College, you know, who's
Kumasi High School right now. The Minister of Education is from high school.
Hey,
high school is building a stadium.
I must produce all the athletes in this country. Agimators have produced over 3 presidents. Kofi Annan went to Infantry.
What came out of Adi School?
Tell me. Now more from Adi School. Canada just one from Adi School. The best comes from the Central region.
The schools are no one Central region.
More moving science and math schools, no. I didn't produce. And then project balance equipment, Ben, my produce Ukroma. What you are job in the National Maths and Science schools, you are winning at the end there. Quantac Muntim produce.
School Connect. Link up with your former mates and be part of your school once again. Schools Connect. Be part of the competition.
Maji ti na me dane di wunji di misi bisa ko ofi wona me fe eleti so bi fe be dia aka echika me di ochame kwame utie Max Morning Dew ewo Max FM koswa fili masanya se.
Welcome to Monday Morning. Max FM.
Max Morning Deal. Yeah, quite anima and chana yade yendumadi no kona ye. Na happy birthday Nkoma Nana Asiedu the spiritual doctor. Nana Asiedu the spiritual doctor El Koforidia and Wawda. Champion Nana Asiedu the spiritual doctor. Esunsumu police. Nana and na kwe Wawda Nyankopon Shraw. O ma kwantintin ahodin wom. Yaka nyina inshira ne ahodin on fandomo. Entiende Max FM team ni nyina no yese Nyankopon Shraw and na kwe Wawda die. Wudi mama mra won se amamre. Nana Nyankopon Shraw. All right, I'm sure you can na yente enkomo yemfi ho. Enche na ye ba bedi nkomo ba ko a ebebo yempi ye ba besua de. Ma men kona mensa ma akusu akwa ba biom.
Meni amejo so.
Insu no watimi akono mo de no.
Oh, manumbi.
Ese wono mo sai.
Me no cap me no. Glass me.
And what's in winter?
But you saw the holiday only a you crowd. Aye, only who problem crack. Only the news to know the on Faniago. Crack.
It you know what dance I know.
Oh, yeah. Aye, no hoarding.
Oh, a hoarding.
Na me I wouldn't say month here yesimi breast cancer awareness month
ampa
I say we are singing that way and now busim we yes ho no ma ye de boda wuro afa no fuo mu kokram ya empempi no ekum ye maame nom no ene ema no ekum ye mpa na ye bo ho dawuro I Max Media yede ye ho agim yede ye ho agim a se ye pese ye tre ya hye mu pa na ye boda wuro no ema kwachi ani nti ba bia kasafide ekoduru bia yede tu obi bia nim se ye wo month we mu enakra da ye se ye world no brazier day
ene
bosumi we nyina nka ye world no brazier day nka bosumi we no yo ba eni kwan se obo brazier aha then
enti afia denti na o mehe
corset already corset enya brazier enti IMAX Media ye ne Organic Hills ya wonum ewo Dansuman polyclinic aka bomu a ye de breast cancer screening ebre eye atiefo ene ahwefo pa atiefo enhye na won enhye ne nso eda no eye benada 14th October ye de breast cancer screening ba ewo Dansuman market enkra ha sei enti ye enkra ha ba bibia wo bia no nyame adoma on the 14th of October pepiemu ewo Dansuman market na yenye eye breast screening no emfa ma ye papa ada no ye be transmit live every Dansuman market eninti no mass morning dew yes say yenkuku ni yankaka nyina akwa kopiemu ewo Dansuman market eninti bomode anabra na won so empanimfo azame enofo no emfa mawo said ye be ya eduru asama mika yo holy mama sere holy na de na anyway asa wo yeso ayisa e wo ho sa holy se huya o yeso sensitive wo ho pa o eninti ye nuanom emma mefo yenuanom emmema enye mankoa ena eto wo mu nufu mu kokora no ya de a ekum amanfo pa on the 14th of October be piemu eda na eye benada na yenya wo eye breast screening no
echira na wotwe
echina na wotwe
time
echira na wotwe ye hyase anopa no nso pepepe anopa no nso ewo Dansuman market ye ne Organic Hills Clinic fo a wonum ewo Dansuman polyclinic ena edi sa kasubomi na ye de eye breast screening no abrewo eninti ne bra na won so bien examine wo nofo na se bekoba ne se bibi bi wo mu a ana se niam bi nkoyi a yetimi aye ne ntem apene pomasibre na ankoka echi ama wo and in the 14th of October 7 a.m. pepe breast cancer screening ye the ehhehye so e wo Dansoman Polyclinic aniti atiefo ene ahwefo enye na wonom enhye no nso so mo ba bepie mu e wo Dansoman Polyclinic na wo mo nso so yanya sa screening no e di ama wo
ya be se wo ba Mobrazia
o se ye world no brazier day
o ba Mobrazia e be boa ma adwuma no ne ye no e be koso e be boa papa
na no nya manko a ya ka breast screening na nya manko a
anti mema no nso
mo kan na ka ho so bo no a ne no fo no esisisi so no ma asa epiepie kakra mo nyina mo ka ho bi enya manko a na wo se yen exam mu anti wo kwa wo so kwa nche singlet ene wudwa wo bo a na kire se
all right akusu ayeda say yeda say tiade yankwa na yema papa akwaba aja mpacho akwaba biom megidi pasa no pa bibia boko
nyamia do bibia fine
all right yenso anopai ye ho ye pa anopai ye ho ye na yenim komo
all right
na anka mepese yembisa se customer se ka se ubi ayubi customer yen sha se sa hwan na ye customer.
Okay, me that say Pacho, I like to mix it with English, okay?
All right.
Is that okay? All right. So let me say a very good morning to your cherished listeners and viewers out there. Now, let me give you, before I tell you who a customer is, let me give you two research findings.
All right.
Yes, the Harvard Business Review, based on a research they did, if you're able to retain your customers or increase your customer retention by 5%, it will increase your profit by between 25 and 95%. Another research also says that it costs 5 to 25 times to acquire a new customer than to retain an existing customer. It costs 5 to 25 times to acquire a new customer than to retain an existing customer. Which means that those who know your brand already, who are already buying from you, they are the best people to stick to.
Sure.
Now, who is a customer? Customers are those who we sell our products and services to, in simple terms.
All right.
So every business that you do, whether you produce products or services, there is a certain target in your mind that this customers. There's a differentiation between a customer and a consumer. But at the same time, a customer can be a consumer. Consumer is the person who consumes the final product. Let's say a baby who doesn't have a decision-making power, but consumes Cerelac. They don't know anything about the Cerelac, but the mother goes to buy the Cerelac. Yes. So in a nutshell, a customer is that person who buys from you.
All right. You. Yada sene enchichimu a odi ama yebehwe se umu anaja ye de twi no awo wo kakra. Right. Na ne wan hen so na ye customer retention no.
Customer retention no the percentage of customers you are able to keep over a period of time. So let's say you're a business that business for 1 year. Let's say from January 2025, I could do December 2025. Who start here? It be a 10 customers. By the end of 2025, you would probably have about 50 customers. 50 customers. Now, your customer retention rate is, you look at the total number of customers you've acquired at the end of the year, of one year, of that period.
Okay.
You subtract the number of customers you have from the start, let's say in January, and divide that by it. That gives you your customer retention rate, your ability to keep a customer after the customer has made the first purchase from you. On him say our typical taxi drivers, no, they be almost sorry, almost share new customers. Every morning, they wake up and they go out looking for somebody new. But if they were able to collect data, customers or passengers are more to me far every January. Let me say even 3 months. Who to me record of meaning in who establish a relationship be with them. And then you are communicating with them. You know their routines. About do time you will not have to drive your taxi in town looking for customers. So taxi drivers drive and they burn fuel for like 1 hour, they don't get any customer. When they meet you, they heap everything on you. But the same thing doesn't happen with Bolt or Uber. Because omo customer database that they have established a relationship with. So customer retention is okay. Customer acquisition, I'm finding customer acquisition will help you grow, but customer retention is what gives you profit.
Say keep customers for a long period of time.
No amount of profit.
No amount of profit.
Because in the economy that you are operating in, cost of inputs can go up. You have to increase your price. So if you have a dedicated community of buyers, they are used to your product and service. Almost soon they contribute to the growth and development of this product and service. When you increase the price, they will understand.
Because only edi jumache.
And te wo juma na see until you increase your price, they will not see it as you trying to cash out on them.
Sure.
But they understand that this is how you have to survive as a business. And they're also used to your product. So they don't want you to go out of business in the situation where they now have to look for a new service provider. And easy, sir.
All right. Niema ben you betimi keep customers for a long period of time. Niema say ubi a wo business. Na all customers niema you betimi keep customers.
Okay. Before I go there, some breakdown between two categories of customers.
Okay.
You have internal customers and external customers. Internal customers, they are the workers. They are the employees of a company. So if you are looking at customer retention, many people focus on the external customer, forgetting that your ability to retain the internal customer leads to consistency in service delivery, which directly impacts customer satisfaction. If I say a team of 11 players, every match, there are new players like 5. Their playing combination will be lost. They cannot perform as a team. And now if I say, we call restaurant be every Sunday you meet a new waiter. There is going to be disparity in the services that you receive. And for you to be able to retain the external customer, you have to be able, as a business, to retain the internal customer. Said yeah, every month somebody is leaving the organization.
Nani Pafufraba. Akwasa Ghana Blasters no. Debia na chese yedi player Fufrabeshim. Yeah.
So now how to retain customers, right? Okay. Let's take it to the external customer. Now let's take it to the external customer. I'm sure with the internal customer there, as an employer, you know the challenges of the workers at the workplace. They need to feel loved. Sure. They need good salaries. They need proper leadership and direction. Now the external customer, no, you have to build trust with them. You, for instance, Max FM, you are speaking in Chi, right? So you are able to relate to majority of Ghanaians. Now say, so that you can relate, or we can relate easily to Omo consuming Max FM, any Max TV. So building trust and transparency with the customer is very important. The moment the customer begins to suspect, say, you are into dupe, or you are fraudulent, or your processes are not straightforward, then they begin to withdraw. Now your competitor will leverage on that and show some level of transparency, building trust, and then you lose out, because in the marketplace you are not the only person. There are competitors, those who are even studying what you do. Now the next is to personalize engagement. You know, when you go to, let's say, a shop, and the person at the counter is treating every customer the same way, it doesn't work well, because people come from different backgrounds, people have different size of pockets, people come from different religions, and so when they come, you have to be able to handle each person according to their background, their experience, their temperament. There are people who don't have patience. Somebody will come, and then, you know, some of the customers that we technically term say, omo hard, you know, omo to me spending. Because omo to me spending, when they come, they will challenge you, they will challenge the status quo. They've been to, if it's a hotel, they've been to so many hotels, so they have experience even more than you that is working with just one hotel for so many years. Until when they are giving you suggestions, or when they are punching holes into how you are serving them, all you need to do is to receive the feedback, apologize, and promise to deliver better. But there are people who, you know, this brings me to 2 rules. We have a golden rule and a platinum rule. Golden rule no, is do unto others as you want others to do unto you. That does not necessarily apply in the business place. Who fear? Who bet me akase? Who drew fear na? Obi anchiawa. Who so unchiano? But who with juma mo na customer room and I want chiawa? Want to mean kase because the person has not greeted you, you will not mind the person. You open your business to receive the person. So golden rule does not apply in customer retention or in marketing. Platinum rule no. Treat the person the way the person expects to be treated. You know why? The person is going to pay you money. So he, knowing how much he's going to spend, has a certain level of expectation. So you treat that customer the way the customer is expecting you to treat them. The next one is to reward loyalty. So be patronize you first time, second time, third timer. I say, who friend? And I say, if there is a reward, you know, that's why we have some loyalty programs. People do discounts, and we are in the customer service week. Today begins the customer service week from now to 10th of October.
Okay.
So this is the week within which probably we have to remember that some customers have patronized us for some days, some years, some months. We have a record of them. Yen frefromo, then catch them say, Madam, bra, yet 1 LPM amount for free because you have patronized us for this. Once you reward that loyalty, he's indebted to you.
Sure.
Just that small reward. Now, community integration. Community integration. When you are doing your business, you should remember, say, who is your business within a particular community. If you isolate our community from your products and services or your initiatives you will lose out. Because a customer that feels like a customer that you engage in planning, a customer that you partner with, let's say you go around the churches around, the CSOs, civil society organizations around, you partner with them and do like my sister Oka breast cancer, breast screening. I'm sure you partner with some organizations within. Once you go into that kind of partnership, it gives them the opportunity to understand what you do. It also makes them feel, say, you are concerned about the community. So they themselves will begin to do what? To recommend your products and services to other people in their churches, in their organizations. And community integration is much more powerful when you create a digital community. Let's say what you're doing now, you're streaming online.
Sure.
So people are watching, even if you don't have a telly, you are watching or you are going to work, you are listening on your radio, somebody's watching on the phone and all of that. They become part of the conversation. And the only information they get to know is through Max FM. Beyond that, they get to work and they are very busy. So when you create that kind of community, that already gives you access to a larger customer base. So, but make sure once you establish relationship with a particular customer, you don't blame anybody for not going further to enhance the relationship between your business and that customer. And every day you look for a new customer, then you know that you don't have a strategy.
All right. Iti abusuaye gusu aye twetwe nkomo ewo Max Morning Dew ye Mr. Richard Yao eko na twetwe enkomo yi. Na eja Richard na making kan ade bi na omuchirim se eye more cost effective say o retaining existing customers than say o attract new ones. Meaning say na no credit.
It's the second quote I gave backed by research.
Oh, okay.
Yes. You see, there's also a saying that the devil you know is better than the angel you don't know. So Ceciano, if you go out trying to convince somebody who doesn't know your product to buy, plus somebody who has tried your product before, you can imagine where you have to start from. Who call be officer, immediately you say Max FM. I say, oh, so I know you guys. You are located here. I've been listening to this program and that program. It means that the person has already probably patronized you before or has heard something about Max FM. It is easier to sell to such a person than that person who will ask, now Max FM no. Or you or he. Afena ube starting market sales and marketing, even though they are complementary, marketing goes ahead of sales, because I was say obi ntiunka what do you say ansana nipa obeba be catch no say me we free company we this is the price ansana we drew her. As you say, let me give you an analogy in relationship. You are interested in a particular lady, and then you just walk to the lady and start talking. The lady will be like, who are you? But who send you a down for me, and the lady doesn't know that he's your friend. Now, Okokachran will say, Charlie, this guy, he's kind. He's a gentle guy. He's very hardworking, committed.
See.
So by the time you start introducing yourself to the lady, catch also you, I know you.
As I said, Jumana
So these things, no, we understand, we know them,
all right.
but transferring them into the marketing space, no, I don't know yet.
All right.
Because our interest, it's easier to go and chase a lady than to say you are going to sell a product.
Because I mean, say,
my fa baako enka yewura ehu. I say, said you see Kenya, and it's more like institutions. Big companies any idea yembongura ya maame no adwadifo a wonum ewo edwam omo ton niema obi wo hono mo a oton amane oton enam oton banchi oton kobi any idea ono no sa customer retention won share dan hu na de ban bia na se emfaso bia ewo so eno no kwan be no befa so a obetumi a maintaining the customers eye baako ebiemu so no sa customer retention no eno so kwan be no befa so a obetumi go about it eno so eye mienu na de toso miensa ebesi de no ho say oh nipa asemasi oye me loyal customer na so onye me loyal customer.
Okay, thank you very much. 3 strong questions. Let me take the first one. We see how would the market woman execute customer retention. Okay, thank you. Who said startups or the informal sector of Ghana is so large. They contribute the greatest to our GDP. Into market women, small businessmen, startups, and anything. What they are lacking to be able to execute customer retention is the training to understand that you need to collect data. You need to keep data of your customers. What is it? So the limit or the size of their loyal customers depends on the contact on their phone or the memories they have of them. So you realize that the person's business objective and then say, me or domi market, I have this stand na ayema. They are not willing, or they have not had the vision, the objective to expand beyond that small corner. If you want to go out of the marketplace or have a big building and serve a larger or set a higher revenue target for your business, or who said the contact you have on your phone is not enough. The people you have off head, the customers you have off head, and Tiama, she comes on Mondays, just one person. It will never lead you to achieve that revenue target that you've set for yourself. And they need some training. As it stands now, they are limited by the size of their business. They are limited by the objectives they set for themselves. And who set your objectives now? Who say you are doing well or you are not doing well? Because there are people, watch seller who is selling one bowl of wache, is so satisfied. But Las Palmas says, no, I have set a bigger target for myself. Until they are going into selling different kinds of foods, not only wache, not only rice, not only banku, but they add other varieties. So it depends on your objective. And then these people require some training. Maybe we can organize some training for them, partnership with Max FM, and then target certain sections of the market and do some training for them. When they understand this, probably the hunger, the thirst to expand their business will now resonate with them. And then they can now begin to look at customer retention, because trust me, without a customer, you don't have a business. And if you are relying on customers that walk in and go out, what it means is that the day there's going to be a serious economic issue, your business will collapse that day.
Okay.
You don't have anybody to go to. You don't have anybody to run to. Your customers will not even worry. There are times that some things will be happening, you begin to worry about a particular shop where you buy things. A particular woman who supplies you certain things, you begin to worry, say, if this thing affects this, because sometimes the person gives you credit. If this economic activity affects this business, like banks were closed down, a bank that gives you loan doesn't give you pressure, comes back to support you, guide you how to invest your money and pay back easily. When that bank is affected by the financial sector cleanup, you'll be worried for that service provider. That is where there is a bond, a strong bond between any service provider and our customer.
Right.
Yes.
Right.
The second question is.
Ubesi dan and who say, oh, wait, I am a loyal customer.
Okay. So that also depends on data.
Okay.
But market women, no, when they see you every day, they know that you are loyal.
Okay.
When you come and you buy just one product every day, they know that you are loyal. But if you are a business that you have registered, you have books, you collect data on your customers, and January, the person has visited you 5 times. The record is showing. February, the person has visited you 5 times. The record is showing. The record even shows that the person is not patronizing only one product that you're selling. The person is patronizing more products from you. And the record also shows that the person is referring other customers to you. With that record, no, want to mean who?
Okay.
Yeah. When him say, sometimes people go for interviews. They are looking for a job. And you ask them, tell me about yourself. They say so many things. All of us have experienced it. You say things that when you leave and get home, no, you realize that you've missed some very important information out. You've not been able to sell yourself well. The reason is that you don't collect data about yourself. As you are working, whatever you have achieved, you write it down. You're updating your CV. And then when you go through and you put all of that in your head, you sit before an employer and you are selling yourself, they will know that, yes, this is the guy that we need.
All right, you. Mr. Richard Yao Eko Yadase ene enchirichirima odi ama ebusia yebisa yempahinu se mbisa ne bia ebia na wofie wase mbisa bia kama anka unya ya nanka yembisa emfama obetimi aba ahama ne so na webisa ye papa na wamawo ano emuaye enti obetimi adwa ne conversation no ewo 0550055522 0550055522 and that's 0551598321 0551598321 and that's 0550055522 wase mi se bia opese yemfama yem papa no na wabamu na odiamano yo
say me say yewura semba akon enka ho onsa wo kan ka say you go two form of customers both internal and external yenhwe internal no nso so kakra eja ne nyina ye customer retention onsa obi wo ho no mo ase de ka company bi wo ho no mo a enche na nipa eja yadwuma enche na nipa eja yadwuma eno ne ye internal ne de no eba ne sa na menka ne say penina wono no eye odi animu say manager ana say ebia CEO ana say chairman wode internal for no ekono kwan bi so no ne hu no toche kakra ana say eden na ewo no ho a etimima sabio nipa bi mo ejaja na adwuma no ebie mu nso so no qualities ben na ewo say ended ewo saafo ni.
All right, Eja wadaruma sana ubeyi anono yenchro ensembisa ningu homa. Wadaruma pacho di ni baby afrefi.
Ya po ni masen baby.
All right, ya po asembisa bena owo edema.
Mini aba na asem na wabisa ndi ase o bitu. Ya mi nshirano. Na de tie ni se me pama de. Customer care ni hwan de papa ni kani nyina no kwasem do mu ni se. Omo mu bi adwuma na kasa dodo na anom hu agufu. Mu yen kan no kra na nyina yesua de. Many abrepa na me kasa no. Kese ma pam school bi niema be say 2 months na mo ma akwan be si na me no kasa ma pam niema more than 200 na ma una no. Se me hwese na o si ton uniform ne fa. Me ha me ne ka ma me ne obenya be 100,000 for the past 2 months now or the ma akwan be si na ya bi school. So me dey kakra up to na me san kan. It will feel say we yes no the next time there na me work na me ye mama no. There na me ye Ghana ha no wo ye obi adwuma aseni pa na asa onu mu ma ye o favor obi tumi to dance ehu ne mama me si ni carpenter ni kakra na ɛwɔ sɛ ɔde ma no no ɔsɛ wode kɛn kakra na woyɛ sɛ wonwia wo cement ne ayɔrɔ so ɛntɔn adwuma bebree gu because of adwuma wurafoɔ no ankasa wo lebra no a wayɛ adwuma no a sika ba nipa ko ne bɔtɔm a hyɛ sɛ wayɛ another company sɛ biebie aka ho na adwuma no ɛkɔ so no ɔhu a wɔ mu mi wa nso wahoɔden na ama adwuma no aduru saa
all right
nyame nsira mo nti wotu mɔmɔnefoɔ a na watu agyina mɔ nso
ɛnokorɛ yɛda ase paa yɛda ase enti afotuo wei no ɛkɔ ma mmɔmmɔne anaasɛ ɛkɔ ama agyinamoa all right in the next 5 minutes no Mr. Richard Mpacho mini aba ebisa wa asemi menim say okay ana
talking about leadership.
Yeah.
Okay.
The leader of the business, whether they are to blame for some of this.
Yeah, not necessarily to be blamed, but would I emphasize the qualities being a better dear mo be who say way no or a good leader and I say way no ne customer care no a year any idea na said ya beya you bet me acquire any more.
A good leader, a leader beer or set examples. If you do something else, and I will expect to say, "Nia will lead your munu, musu ye the opposite, and ye." So if you are doing deals and now you favor disrespect in the workplace, no, there are some people who rise up against you. It will lead to confusion within the workplace. So you have to lead by example. Be straightforward, be very objective, be very democratic, and give everybody equal opportunity. Above all, a leader must always be learning.
All right, you. Yeah, that's it. But when you. Hello. Udi baby afrefi.
Bella.
Yo, Madela, yenti wa sembisa ne.
Mimi de na sembisa. Mimi se papa ne kasa no see, e customers nicely. And omu wa send omu kasa a customer is always right. And me customer ni die. Me tiasie. But customer di o ma ne kwan a wo hu. Bi obe misbehavior channel no. Se me no kasa na obi a waitress. Or restaurant and that's all bar customer bar. Now be party. Or buy no bottle. Or buy no a so nufu. Then you penny yes, I don't know one money one better several times. Now of the so bet here can the next of I don't know. No what casan anymore. A right to say more than the case, customer near writing to the jaw, no nufu no so to Anna.
You. Madela yadase yo.
All right, into Dela Obenhua. Anytime there's a confusion between a staff and a customer, whether that is the first time or that is the nth time, when your boss comes, the first thing your boss does is to apologize. Customers are more ego simply because omo disika brew. Say I mentioned the golden rule and the platinum rule. Your ability to tolerate the people that you open your business because of them is what makes your business succeed. All politicians when people go on demonstration, they talk to the leaders anyhow because in their mind they voted them into power. They employed them. So they talk anyhow. The same thing applies to the customer.
Yeah. All right, Aja, you better say, Yaja Okwan, a futu bay, and nowadays, Ubi or dead, you may be any customers in so 80 a futu bay nowadays, and in your Quamadaruma.
Okay, I'm saying, yes, start here. You mentioned my name, but let me properly introduce myself.
All right.
Yes, so my name is Richard Yao Eko. I'm the head of marketing for AH Hotel, and I'm essentially a marketing consultant. I want to wish all our customers and the customers of Max FM a happy customer week. This week, they should look out for powerful deals. discounted deals. I mentioned H Hotel and somebody is smiling. So,
what I think now first.
Also, yeah, happy customer week.
Me da your customers ni na
sister.
Say nya omuntia. Anka be bia ye dro no, ye ntumi ndro. COVID ba. Still they've been loyal to us. Now if to am person me ma every business person is that customer service no is not it's supposed to be seen as a game where the customer must always win. The moment you, the service provider, you want to challenge, I know my right, and then you want to win, you are losing a customer. And when you lose one customer, because of the technological revolution, one dissatisfied customer can destroy your brand. Immediately they put it on Facebook or on social media. Other customers who don't know, they don't even know each other. But you see people coming up with their examples and all of that. Meanwhile, competitors or the same service providers, we don't have such an association.
All right. You, Mr. Richard, you call Yada say, son of pay your tones after by Yada Sepano Brand Wadaje. And one may assume dear
pa. Find time for this.
And
go deeper into
Sure. All right, Yada say, Yada Sepa. You. Max morning do Jumadiana was so good to Uti no na.
Yeah.
14th October. Echina na watwe. Ye nyina ye san akopie mu ewo Dansuma market. Ye Jumadi a ye di na ewo ha ni nyina no. Ye di brew e de fi Dansuma market. Live on Max 89.7 inti ma mu hu ye ni nyina no DJ Holy Aleza Akosu Agrino Bomadi Abra ma ye hia ho na presenters wa fie ha nyina no bia beba bi Mr. Koda ne abusuafo nkai ni nyina no obi abeba nti Bomadi ase obeba na wabebo na yemfa dwumadie no embra yo se bibia no de na ye de dwumadie no ebesi
komi watch ya nkrofo ma me nchia me de
okay wa kai me kwa ma me nchia me classmate Akufu George michia na fe DJ Expo eya dwuma e wa Fima FM ra no pay yechia o yo yankwa echia
mechia yetiefu nyina Great Banasco of Free Sunyane bonoton yechia ne bebrebe pa oye loyal customer, in fact oye loyal caller and listener no kwasem ni baby a wo bia Great Banasco Max FM yechia oye papa sanso na mechia mea nkasa me papa Apostle Solomon Amede Redeemed Christian Ministry o sofo pon woda ano ene asofo ngeto aka nyina no yechia mo bebre pa ye fa Max FM afidie so ado bibia se fia no pa wo mo a wo ne yetena abesi sabre ye do bibia se pa
Mr. Richard Ebia na obechia busuafo bia
pese me nchia meyiri Janet Niama Nketia. Me mama and son me mommy, my sisters, especially the newly married one, Joan Echo, Enrano, or Blasphemy Kakra. So my father noticed a good feedback. All right. I wish all of them a happy customer week.
Yo, yada wase ne ombre ne wadaje. Yemfa Sidama production team DJ Holy Aleza ene Akosia Grino. Your family Kumi Kasa. Okay, all right. Your family Kumi Kasa Asidanko Masbai. Masbai ene
Medimosos Herbal Clinic. Medimosos Clinic and Herbal Center. Sa enso ena Masbai ene enkaya won eboye nyina ye do munya se papa.
All right. Yo. Iho Nyankopon ya adoma same time tomorrow na ya sa the Max morning do jumadi na bra. Ya frame Kumi Kasa Iho Nyankopon sha na onye okase.